Murray homeowners know just how unpredictable Utah's seasonal weather can be. From heavy snow and strong winds in the winter to summer thunderstorms, your home's windows are constantly put to the test. Standard windows may not always provide the protection you need, leaving your home vulnerable to drafts, leaks, or even damage during severe weather events. That's why storm-resistant windows are quickly becoming a must-have upgrade for Murray homes. Not only do they safeguard your property, but they also enhance comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. Built to withstand harsh conditions, storm-resistant windows are specifically engineered to handle the challenges of extreme weather. Impact-resistant glass. Multiple layers of glass, often bonded with a durable interlayer, make it much harder for debris or strong winds to cause breakage. Reinforced frames. Vinyl, aluminum, or composite frames are designed for extra strength to withstand pressure from storms. Tight seals. Advanced weather stripping prevents water and wind from seeping through. This combination of features means your home is better protected when Murray's seasonal storms roll through. Energy efficiency year-round. Beyond storm protection, these windows also improve your home's energy performance. Murray experiences cold, snowy winters and hot summers, which means keeping indoor temperatures steady can be a challenge. Storm-resistant windows typically feature double or triple glazing for better insulation, low-E coatings that reflect heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, gas-filled panes to minimize heat transfer. These features lower your heating and cooling costs while keeping your home more comfortable in every season. Improved safety and security. Storm-resistant windows don't just protect against the weather, they also add an extra layer of home security. Their tough construction makes them far more difficult to break than standard glass, deterring potential intruders. For Murray families, this means added peace of mind, knowing your windows provide year-round safety from both nature and unwanted guests. Noise reduction. For a quieter home. Another benefit many homeowners don't realize is the noise-reducing quality of storm-resistant windows. The multiple layers of glass and insulated design significantly cut down on outside noise, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or construction. This is especially valuable if you live in busier parts of Murray or simply want a more peaceful indoor environment. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Murray's changing weather can take a toll on traditional windows, leading to issues like warped frames, cracked seals, or fogged glass. Storm-resistant windows are built with durability in mind. Their materials are designed to resist warping, rotting, and corrosion, meaning less maintenance over time. By investing in these windows, you're choosing a solution that holds up for years, even under Utah's seasonal extremes. Boosting curb appeal and home value. While storm-resistant windows are practical, they're also available in a variety of styles and finishes to complement your home's look. From classic designs to modern frames, you don't have to sacrifice beauty for strength. Plus, prospective buyers value homes with upgraded, energy-efficient, and storm-ready windows. Installing them can boost your home's resale value and make it more attractive in Murray's housing market. Final thoughts for Murray homeowners. The weather is as diverse as the landscape, from icy winters to stormy summers. Protecting your home from these seasonal challenges starts with your windows. Storm-resistant windows not only shield your property from harsh conditions but also improve energy efficiency, enhance safety, and add long-term value. If you're considering a window upgrade, storm-resistant models are a smart investment that pays off in comfort, protection, and peace of mind. With professional installation, your Murray home will be ready to weather every season with strength and style.